Okay, so this is our other television. I'm going to show you how to use it. So in order to start it, you're going to have to take this remote control, and it has two start buttons. You can either use this one or the one on the back side, this one. I'll use the one on the back side right now. Okay, so it's on. You probably can't see it right now because it's just a dot, but like, anyways, so it says HDMI 1 if you can see. So there are a few other HDMIs. So you're gonna have to, in order to change the HDMIs, you're going to have to go to this button over here. You can't see that well. Here. You're going to press it, and then you're going to pick which HDMI you want, and you're going to have to use these buttons. So there, you press the HDMIs. Whoops, wait. There. And then you press these, the others. So for now, let's go to HDMI 3. Okay, so HDMI 3, this is the Kartina TV. This is the Russian television, and it's only in Russian, as you probably understood. And you use this remote control. If you want to start it, then you press this button, but we're not going to go into this right now. And there is the other HDMI. It's HDMI 2. Oops. Wait. HDMI 2. Yeah. So we're gonna go up now. And HDMI 2, there's no particular way to start it. This is called Apple TV, and for some of them, you have to use this. And there, this is the thing for Apple TV. All you have to do is basically take your phone or computer or whatever, and you have to connect it to the television, meaning you go to Bluetooth. So you have to use Bluetooth for this HDMI 2, and then you can watch whatever you want, like YouTube, Netflix, whatever you want from your phone or computer or iPad, anything. So yeah, have fun watching television.